Now the MCQ question 2020 here ka the first term of an AP is P and the common difference is Q, then the 10th term is, so for option Q plus 9P, P minus 9Q, P plus 9Q, 2P plus 9Q, 2020-22. So first term A is P is given, second term difference is Q. Question पे A first term P दिया हुआ है, difference is Q. So we'll write as 10th term. 10th term means A10 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D formula. A plus N minus 1 into D means यहाँ 10 रहे तो we have to write 9. If here 7, 7th term means we have to write 6. one number कम होता है. So A to the power 10, A10 is equal to A plus 9D बनता है. If here 9 means here become 8. If here 5 means here become 4. So A10 is equal to A value is P. So we'll write P plus 9. We write as it is 9. D value is Q. So we'll write Q only. P plus 9Q. Option C. Option C. P plus 9Q is the answer.